Yo, what is good with you guys? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing today's it's gonna be like a little more talking day. So just to get you guys, just you know, locked in, ready. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to actually how to take the notes because a lot of you guys lighting, just freaking lighting. Okay, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to take the notes. So say bull trades. Boom. Like you guys can either watch me or TGR. I don't really care. Like you guys can either choose one of the two. I don't really. It doesn't bother me. At the end of the day, guys, I want you. I want all of you guys to succeed with trading. At the end of the day, bro, it's all about success and if you really got it or not. So me personally, what helped me the most with on the charts, learning it, literally wisely. Hold on, let me make myself smaller here. Actually, I hate this new platform. By the way, guys, this is a new platform, so don't get mad at me if the quality comes out trash. Okay, so any other you can write it down, but writing down is not gonna help. What helped me the most was say I didn't know who I was. I didn't know who this dude was, but he taught it easier. Well, I was teaching a bit, right? Boom, he gets to the explaining part. So watch what I do. Just watch what I do, guys.
This is a FEG. Yes, it is a FEG. You're correct. 5-minute FEG. But, bro, FEGs always, like I said, they don't work. They're going to work, but they're not going to work how I'm teaching. Okay. They always work. They always work, okay?
Okay.
But, they're not always going to, market's not always going to tap it. There we go. That's what I could have just said earlier. But market's not always going to tap it. Market's not always going to inverse it. Market's not always going to do this. Market's not going to always do that. Because the market makers are greedy. Okay. They're going to wait for a better discount.
Okay.
Boom, you have another fair value gap right here. Boom. Yeah, look. This one got hit. But did the one above it get hit? No.
Okay. So, if you're learning and you see how he's marking it out, try it on your charts. Try it on the charts, guys. It's like a game changer. I'm telling you guys right now. It's literally a game changer. So big. Boom. Look, guys. Just go along with the person that's teaching you. It can be me. It can be TJR. It can be anybody. Boom. That's a little fair value gap. It's a 3 candlestick pattern. Okay. Oh, what did price do? Wait. What is this? I don't know what this is. Boom, you just sit there and wait till he talks about that.
Hit. Boom. You see the little streaks of the wicks? Boom. You would have took a little short.
Ooh.
I mean, I would have taken it.
That was bad.
Boom, because there's a lot of different other confluences on there that you guys don't see. Because you guys are noobs. Boom. Okay. Let's see if we can find one. What is it going?
Too long already.
Boom, you got 3 candlestick pattern for value gap. Boom. What did price do? It stopped out the buyers that were buying. Ugh. Oh my gosh, that brand sucks. Look, you could even call this one the fair value. You could even call this the fair value gap too. I like this one more. Look, boom, you got a 3 candlestick pattern 1, 2, and 3. Boom, the tips are touching each other. Boom, there's a big gap between them. What does market do? Stop out the buyers that were buying because they literally got faked out thinking, oh my gosh, the market is blasting. Nope, not happening. And it looks like a big news day too, so that could happen too. And price is inversed, so it just closed.
Okay, now I know what happened. Price inversed. That's why you want to go along to whoever's teaching you guys. So, bro, if you're watching me or TJR, anybody, I promise you, you're not learning because you're not doing it along with them. You're not, it's good to pause the video and go back and forth. That's how you're going to learn, bro. I know it's probably going to be annoying, but that's how you're going to learn, bro. Boom. For value gap. Never got tabbed. Boom. Oh, look what price did. It went out of it, but it never continued. I wonder, because we are probably in an uptrend. and there was probably liquidity that got swept, and look what happened. Boom. You know, we got order block. You know, like all different kinds of confluences, guys, and it doesn't matter how the person is explaining you guys. Like, it doesn't matter if you're just gonna sit there like this the whole time.
In order to be an inverse value gap, an IVG, it has to close. It has to close below it.
That's not what you guys want to do, bro. That's what I did, and I turned out to be a complete freaking trash at trading, bro. That's how I blew 3 funded accounts in like over 3 months of my look. Oh look, it's the one that he just marked. I wonder why? Because we trade the same damn charts, and I'm going over it with him. This is how you guys practice. This is how you guys get better at trading, bro. This is how you guys get better at trading, bro. This had so annoying. But this is how you get better at trading, guys. I'm telling you guys from experience. You can write it down, but the main thing you want is to go along with the person that's teaching you, so you can learn along. Bro. That's how you're gonna make it, bro. By following along. Just like how you go to school, you follow along with your teacher while she's teaching you math equations that you won't need in the future. Bro, that's how it goes. That's how trading goes. You go along with your mentor that's teaching you on how to freaking trade. Okay? I'm tired of seeing these people. Oh, these like strategies where they, some strategies can be good. I'm tired of seeing this though in the like when people trade. Like, oh yeah, like look at this. Oh, the trend is like it's gonna blast. Oh, it might go higher, guys. I'm gonna enter right here. I'm gonna enter. Put my stop right here, bro. Are we serious? Like, this is what I see, bro. And this is why that some traders don't make it, because some strategies suck. I promise you guys, this is not a 100% win rate strategy, but this strategy is so good that you're going to at least make a lot of money from it if you guys do what I just told you. And I promise you guys that right now. I promise you guys 100%. I want to be laying down. I want to be watching the new Stranger Things season. But you know what? I'm here making a YouTube video because I want you guys to succeed too with me. I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, bro. Why is my face so inverted? Like, that's so. Okay, that was negative word. But, bro, imagine, bro. You guys are learning how to trade, and you're like, okay, boom. I'm gonna watch this whole video. You don't know a damn thing because you didn't go along with the person that's teaching you, bro. You didn't go along, bro. That's why a lot of people fail too, because they don't go along. They just sit there for the whole 30, 50 minutes of a video, and then they get to the end and they're like,
the candlesticks and stuff, but
they're like, what the hell did he just talk about? What did he just talk about? I was that guy. For 6 months straight, I would watch TJR's videos. I would search up TJR for value gap.
We have got to the point where literally.
Okay, hold on.
This is based.
The very next 3 candles.
Boom. I would get to the very end of the video. I'll be like, what the hell did he just talk about?
There's no introduction.
Okay. I would get to the end of the video because I didn't know what the hell was he talking about. I didn't know what the hell I was supposed to mark. I didn't know what the hell what to do. I wrote everything down in my notebook. And I expected it like a math test. You just sit there like this on your desk and wait for freaking something to happen in the market. That is not the way to go, bro. You do it along with your mentor. Like I said, another example. You go to school to learn. Boom. You copy, your little teacher pet to the teacher. Following along. Follow along with the mentor, guys. This is how you're going to be good and successful at trading, bro. I wouldn't be here telling you guys this. I already experienced it. This is how you guys do it. My friend called me talking about yo, you should make a video on how to review it, like how to learn it, because you struggled with that. I was like, I bet. So here I am today making this video at 9:50. I could be back testing. I could be watching the new Stranger Things season. I could be watching that YouTube video. But you know what? I had a thought about you guys. I'm like, okay, let me do my thing real quick. Okay, boom, bro, all it is, bro, is just following along, bro. All it is just following along. That's all you gotta do. follow along. You see a market, boom. Go on your charts, find the the similarities, order block, uptrend, downtrend, whatever. Fair rally gap, 3 candlestick pattern, like, bro, you will become successful if you just do that. Me, took me 6 months. This month, I learned so much by doing that. I learned so much, and I promise you guys that. I was up at 12 in the morning, 3 in the morning, on a school night this month, last month, and the month previous. Practicing. I still sucked at the end of the day. But you know what? I prayed to the Lord. I asked him for wisdom. I asked him for everything. And it started clicking in my head, bro. It started clicking in my head. That's what you guys need. This is what you guys need to understand. Okay. Sorry, guys. I have heartburn in that. It was annoying. But as I was saying, this is how you guys learn how the whole freaking strategy works. And I promise you, this is the best strategy out of every, this is the best strategy. And you want to know why? We're going to be like, why? The amount of confluences, the amount of continuation confluences there are in this strategy, you can put those to use. And you will have a 80% to 70% win rate with those if you just learn them all. Yeah, you can learn some, but would you rather just use one tool, or would you use multiple, or you can be able to use multiple, because those multiple tools can spawn out of nowhere on the market? The market makers don't care about you. So why are you not going to take action and learn these tools that you can use in the market? It's time to lock in, guys. 2025 is almost over too. 2025, my year, I was learning. I didn't have no money coming in. I blew 3 freaking funded accounts. 3. My parents didn't see progress. They told me, well, what if trading don't work out? It is going to work out. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make it happen. This is the problem with you guys too these days. You guys give up. Trading could be the hardest thing to learn, but it's the easiest way to make money. I said this a million times already. It is the easiest way to make money in this world. And that is facts. Drop shipping, whatever. Internet money, whatever. Scaling, whatever. But once it comes to day trading, bro, and you get a good strategy like this, you're going to be like, damn, I'm unstoppable, basically. Like, this strategy, bro, this strategy is so good. Like, it's so great. It's so amazing. It brings so much power to my hands when I'm up at 3 in the morning backtesting. When I'm up 3 in the morning trading London session. When I'm up 3, 9, 8 New York session open. There is so much power that comes to this, bro. And you can learn these confluences like how I did. And it took me 6 months, and I was the dumbest person to ever learn them. It took me a whole 6 months just to learn of FVG. The easiest confluence in the world. Now you're going to be like, well, that's on you. Yes, it was on me. I was playing the game. I was gooning. I was not locked in, bro. I was not locked in. I was focused on school. I just thought trading was easy money. No, bro. No. It's a humbling experience, bro. Once you guys start trying to trade and you guys learn and you guys think, oh, I got this, bro. You don't got this because you're new to it. Like, you guys are new to it, bro. Like, it's like it's so, I love trading. Me personally, I love trading. It's so fun. I get to wake up at my own time. I can wake up at 10 p.m. if I want to. Like, I don't care. I don't care at all, bro. I really don't care. The 3 things I care about: God, myself, and my future wealth that's going to come. I promise you guys in 3 years that I'll be a millionaire already. I promise you guys in 3 years. Maybe 2. It depends how much work you put in, guys. It depends how much faith you have in God. It depends. I already gave my life to God. I already gave my life to Jesus. I already gave my life to everything. I just got my Bible. I just locked in. He answered my prayers. He's answering my prayers. I quit lust. I quit all that. since I'm working on my cussing. I cuss here and there, but I prevent it, as you guys can tell in the videos. Like, I say frick. Like, bro, there's levels to this, bro. There's levels to this. First, you gotta lock in with the Lord. Second, master your skill. Master your craft. That's what I'm doing. I'm mastering my skill in my craft that I'm trying to do. The last thing I worry about is school. Why do you think I went on independent study? My mom got surgery, but, bro, I'm so happy that I went on independent study because, bro, now I got more time to focus on my craft. I get it. And by the time I move, like, bro, I'm probably going to want to do online school because I don't really care about school. I hate school. I never liked school. I was always that kid that never paid attention in class. I was always that kid looking outside the window, just focus on the trees moving. I was that kid, bro. I never cared about school. I never liked it. I never did homework. I never did none of that. Now, me figuring out this business plan, and, you know, it's such a beautiful thing that happened to me because, bro, without this, I don't know where the hell I would have been. I don't know where the hell I would have been if I didn't have the Lord and my friend Jalen that put me on. And I give big thanks to my boy Jalen, bro. Big thanks to my boy. Without him, bro, I don't know where the hell I would have been in my bed, you know, playing the game. Or Rainbow Six Siege, like always. Playing the game, bro. It's crazy, bro. Like, you guys gotta really want it. You guys gotta really be hungry for it. Like, you guys gotta see it and you, like, grab it. Like, you keep it for the rest of your life and you use that for your advantage. Like, you keep it with you. Now, you know what trading is, and you say you don't got the time for it. Well, then make time, bro. Make time for it. Make time. There's 24 hours in a day. So you're telling me that you don't got at least an hour a day just to practice, or you can stay up all night and ruin your sleep schedule? Like, come on, bro. Like, there's things to this level, bro. You gotta be ready for the sacrifices. You gotta be ready to decline the people that you hang out with, your friends, talking about some, yo, let's go to this party, Halloween party. Nah, bro, I'm good, bro. You know, I'll go trick-or-treating, get some candy, but come back home and put in more work. You're going to have to lose friends, bro. Like I said in the other video, you're going to have to lose friends. Hang out with the people that do it. Hang out with the people that actually want the money. Hang out with the people that are not the losers and that are the winners. That's literally it, bro. Yeah, I can be the ugliest person, but I still know how to make money. Which, I don't know if I am ugly. I don't know. But that's up to you guys. I don't care. But, bro, it don't matter about looks. It don't matter about none of that. It doesn't matter how smart you are. It doesn't matter if you disagree on something on one of the confluences. Don't mind the background noises, okay? But it doesn't matter who you are. It matters what you do and what you're passionate for. If you guys put in that work, bro, I promise you guys, you'll be really successful. 6 months ago, I wasn't doing a damn thing. I'm going to be honest with you guys, as I repeat myself. 6 months ago, I wasn't doing jack shit. Excuse my language. I wasn't doing nothing. My friend Jalen would call me 11 before London session. Yo, you're going to take a trade on your funded. I forced my parents to buy me a funded, and I wasn't even ready for it because I was that confident thinking I was going to be able to pass it. Do you guys think I passed it? I'll give you a minute to think. No, I didn't pass it. It went to crap, bro. I was trading at school. I didn't even have a strategy. I would mark out a crappy fair value gap that wasn't even a fair value gap. It was something like this. Like, bro, like, oh my gosh, it just gets me so sad thinking about it. Like, I could have really been profitable. If I locked in for those 6 months of my life. You guys can lock in right now because I already experienced it. TGR already experienced it. Jalen already experienced it. All my friends and all my people experienced it. It's your time to shine, bro. It's your time to shine. I'm telling you, bro. 2025 was my learning year. 2026, God knows what I'm going to get in 2026. I'm going to get this money, and I'm going to be dummy rich in 2026 and 2027 throughout my life. Off of day trading. I promise you guys that. I get the chills talking about it. My neck, like, bro, my hairs on my arms are literally up, bro. Just talking about it. I get the nerves. Like, it's such a crazy thing to say, but I know it's going to happen because it's all up to me. It's all up to my brain. It's all up to my mental. It's all up to myself. And the number one person it's all up to is God. Seeing if I really deserve it. Seeing if I put in the work at night. Seeing if I don't lust. Seeing if I don't procrastinate. Seeing if I don't do none of that. That's good. If I don't procrastinate, if I don't lust, He's going to give you the blessings that you guys want. Not too long ago, I prayed, talking about, I asked for wisdom, wealth, and more faith in Him. I gained the faith. The wealth is coming, and the wisdom just snapped. I'm like, whoa, like, it's so crazy. Like, I just started learning everything so fast. Like, it just started clicking in my head, clicking in my head. I started understanding everything because I trusted in God. I didn't trust in myself. I trusted in God. It may sound funny. It may sound crazy. But once you start putting your life in God, bro, everything is going to change. Everything is going to change. I promise you guys that right now. Everything is going to change. Your ways that you think are going to change. The way you act is going to change. The way you talk to others is going to change. The way you talk to your parents is going to change. The way you talk to your sibling, whoever, is going to change, bro. Now, is that a way to, yes, it is a way. Yes, there is a way for everything. I'm here to preach the word and show you guys how to trade. But God's number one. I wouldn't be here right now if I was still the same person 6 months ago. Okay. I wouldn't even be here right now if I was the same person 6 months ago, guys. Think about that. I wouldn't be here making this video, trying to talk to you guys and let me hear you guys out a little bit because I've been through a lot of struggles. Yes, I'm not profitable. Yes, I haven't made a penny off of this. I do have some money in my account to buy funding right now. I just learned the whole strategy. The strategy is so great. It's such a good use, guys. It's such a good use. Like, in 2 to 3 weeks, I'm gonna trade demo, and once I see that I'm profitable and I learn more and more and become like the Albert Einstein of this, you already know where I'm going. Hold on. Let me open this. In 3 weeks, I promise you guys, I'm going. Okay, that's my accounts. Okay. This is where I'm going, bro. I'm going in 3 weeks to buy my funded. Now, in 3 weeks, I'm gonna be ready to buy this funded, and I'm gonna pass it, and I'm gonna make my first 10K in a month. I'm gonna make my first 10K in a month. After that first 10K, I'm not gonna waste it on designer. I'm not gonna waste it on a rollie. I'm not gonna waste it on nothing. What I'm gonna do is buy more accounts and pass those. And say I made 5 bands and once all 5 accounts. Who's gonna stop me? By the time I'm 18, bro, I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. I'm out of the US. I'm going to Dubai, bro. I'm going to Dubai. That's my dream. Dubai. What was that? Okay. Bro, I'm going to Dubai, bro. Shit. I'm going to Dubai, bro. I'm gonna get my penthouse either in Dubai or like I'm gonna literally get my first place by the time I'm 18. I guarantee you. If I lock it. Why is it literally? I'm about to cry, bro. Okay, but besides that, bro, trust in God, trust in the faith. If anything happens, if you guys want more confirmation on fair value gaps. I'm gonna make the new SMT video. Still a work in progress. I wanna find more. I'm probably gonna upload in a trade recap, which I'm probably gonna trade. See Friday news. See Friday news, guys. Oh, okay. Don't clip that, bro. Don't clip that. Forex Factory. I really appreciate you guys watching too. I know some people just skip, and I hope you guys are watching these videos because soon in the future I'm gonna be rich, and then you're gonna be like, oh wow, he was right. Okay, Friday, boom, Friday. I'm gonna trade that day, guys. So you guys stay tuned for the SMT video. I'm gonna make a lesson on how to find, cause I don't think I haven't made one about highs and lows in the market. I'll give you guys a little preview about it to see if you guys really stay till the end of the video. So boom, a low is a move down then a move up candle. A high is a move up then a move down candle. These are really, you guys really freaking need these in the market. I guarantee you, bro. I didn't know what this was back then, and it was the easiest thing to learn. I promise you guys this is what you guys are gonna need for the whole thing. I promise you guys that. As you can see, look, we got a breaker structure, boom, breaker block, previous move. You know, like all that. You guys are gonna need to know that. I'm probably gonna upload the video tomorrow. I don't know, but I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving break. I hope you guys stay blessed. I hope you guys stay praying. Change your ways up. Stop all that cussing. Stop all the lust. Stop chasing girls. The girls probably don't want you guys, but bro, just stay focused. Lock in on trading. You can either watch me or TGR. I don't really care. I'm just doing this to help people out because that's always like, I always like helping people out, seeing smiles on their faces once it actually happens, like successfulness and stuff. So make sure you guys go tap in with my stuff, and yeah, and then I'm gonna show you guys my TikTok and stuff so you guys can add it too. So this is the TikTok right here. If you guys want to add that, and then this is the gram. This is the gram. So, damn, bro. I gotta stop sleeping sideways, bro. Okay, but besides that, guys, stay safe. Have a good Thanksgiving. Enjoy this video. Make sure you guys watch the full thing, bro. Like, if you guys watch the full thing, comment that you know what a low and a high is in the market, because I just explained it. So, make sure you guys like, share, and follow my socials so you guys can see previews from our posts. So, peace.